Have you ever wondered why some people become millionaires, while others keep struggling paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you, the secret isn't luck, it isn't about earning millions right away, it's about something so simple that anyone, even you, can start today. Yes, just the $100 rule. A habit so small, but so powerful, that it can literally change your entire financial future. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this rule is, but you'll also know exactly how to use it to build wealth step by step. Part 1, the story behind the $100 rule. Let's start with a story. There were two friends, Ahmed and Bilal. Both earned almost the same monthly salary. But Ahmed always complained he never had enough. At the end of every month, his wallet was empty, his account was zero. Bilal, on the other hand, lived almost the same lifestyle. But there was a difference, a very small habit. Every month, no matter what, Bilal put aside just $100. Not $500, not $1,000, just $100. Years passed. Ahmed kept struggling, while Bilal's small savings quietly grew. That $100, when invested wisely, slowly became thousands, and then millions. This is the power of the $100 rule. It's not about how much you earn. It's about building a habit that guarantees your future wealth. Backhand index pointing right. Tell me honestly, do you ever feel like no matter how much you earn, it's just never enough at the end of the month? Can you relate to Ahmed's struggle? Part 2, what exactly is the $100 rule? The $100 rule is very simple. No matter what you earn, $500, $1,000, or $5,000, you commit to setting aside at least $100 every single month. You don't touch it. You don't spend it. You invest it. Why $100? Because $100 is a small enough number that almost anyone can manage, but big enough that over years, it grows into a fortune. Think about it. If you save $100 a month, that's $1,200 a year. In 10 years, that's $12,000. But when you invest it at an average 10% return, it becomes nearly $20,000. In 20 years, it could become $72,000. In 30 years, it could grow to $200,000 plus. And that's just by saving a simple $100 per month. Part 3, why people fail without this habit. Most people think they need to earn millions before they can start saving. But the truth? If you can't save $100 from a small income, you'll never save even when you're earning big. The problem isn't income, the problem is habit. Ahmed, from our earlier story, thought, I'll start saving when I earn more. But when he finally did earn more, he spent more. Lifestyle grew, expenses grew, but savings? Zero. Bilal didn't wait. He built the habit with $100, and by the time he started earning more, saving was already second nature. Backhand index pointing right. Be honest with yourself. If you had started saving just $100 every month for the last 5 years, how much money would you already have today? And how different would your life look? Part 4, how to apply the $100 rule in real life. Now you might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how do I actually do it? Here's how. 1. Automate it. As soon as you receive your salary, move $100 to a separate savings or investment account. Don't wait till the end of the month. 2. Cut one expense, just one. Maybe skip eating out twice a month, or cut down one subscription. You'll free up $100 easily. 3. Invest. Don't just save. Putting $100 under your pillow won't make you rich. Put it in a place where it grows, index funds, stocks, or even a business fund. 4. Stay consistent. The magic isn't in one big saving, it's in repeating the $100 habit month after month, year after year. The habit is more important than the amount. Part 5, the psychology behind it. When you practice the $100 rule, something amazing happens. You prove to yourself that you are in control of your money. You stop living paycheck to paycheck. You build discipline. And most importantly, you create a new identity. You start seeing yourself as an investor, not just a spender. Part 6, real-life examples. Warren Buffett started investing at the age of 11. He didn't start with millions. He started with small amounts. Do you know how Starbucks was built? Howard Schultz didn't have millions when he started. He saved, invested, and reinvested. Even in our own lives, think about anyone you know who is financially comfortable. They didn't just suddenly become rich. They built habits over years, and often, it started small. That's what the $100 rule teaches us. Backhand index pointing right. Do you agree that building small, consistent habits is more powerful than waiting for one big opportunity? Or do you still believe luck is the only way? Part 7. Breaking the excuses. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I can't save $100, I barely survive as it is. But let me ask you, how much do you spend on things you don't even remember? Coffee, online subscriptions, eating out, cigarettes, snacks, small luxuries. The truth is, everyone spends at least $100 a month on things that don't matter in the long run. If you cut just one or two, you'll find your $100. It's not about not enjoying life. It's about prioritizing your future self over momentary pleasures. Part 8. The long-term impact. Here's the reality. If you start today with the $100 rule, in 10 years, you'll thank yourself. If you delay, in 10 years, you'll regret that you didn't. We overestimate what we can achieve in 1 year, but underestimate what we can achieve in 10. The $100 rule isn't about today. It's about buying yourself freedom for tomorrow. Backhand index pointing right. So tell me, after listening to all this, do you believe I've spoken the truth? Or do you think this rule is just a theory? Will you try it, or keep waiting? So my friend, the $100 rule is not just about money. It's about discipline. It's about building a future where you don't have to beg for opportunities, because you created them for yourself. Start today. Don't wait for a miracle. Don't wait for a big income. Begin with $100. Your future self will be grateful. And before you go, I want you to do 3 things. First, comment below if you're ready to start this $100 journey. Second, subscribe to this channel so you never miss the financial habits that can change your life. And third, share this with someone who needs to hear it. Because sometimes, one small habit can change not just your life, but also the lives of everyone around you.